In a desert city where sustainability and food security is always on people's minds, we are now visiting the largest vertical farm on the planet. Let's go check out Botanica.
They want me all covered up to harvest some plants. Okay, let's take a peek into the future.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
Faraz?
how you doing? Yes.
David.
How you doing, David?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm excited to be here. It sounds like an incredible project.
It is one of the most incredible projects, I would say.
In the world?
Yes.
You want to show me around?
Please, let's go. At Botanica, we're hydroponic 100%, zero pesticide, zero herbicide, zero chemicals, soilless facility. From the minute we harvest it, it's ready to eat.
We're about to step into the future here, people.
It starts all at the plant development unit. That's the nursery. We receive the seeds, we start the germination process. Each PDU holds over 250,000 seeds. At any time of the year, we'll always have over 1 million plants.
So whose idea was this?
The idea started in 2017 when Emirates Flight Catering started looking into securing their procurement. They looked into vegetables and fruits, beef, poultry, and then they found out that the most failures are in leafy greens because it's always imported. They don't have a constant supply. They don't have a constant taste and texture. So they said, okay, then we have to look into vertical farming. We started construction 2020, and then the facility was up and running by July 2022.
Chef, it's like you come here, and not only do they dream, but they do. And that's what happened here.
Exactly, 100%.
It's amazing.
It is in the Dubai DNA. That's why we want always to create the best of the best.
The biggest farm in the middle of the desert.
The biggest farm in the world in the middle of the desert.
That's so cool.
So in each room, we control temperature, humidity, light, day and night, the water with nutrients, and everything runs automatically. So even if we have a failure at one rack, it will not affect the others.
On rack level.
Exactly. And this is one of the success factors of vertical farming. We can secure the supply 365 days a year.
The colors here are different in each room.
Yeah, so here focus more on the roots development, whereas there it will be focused more on leaf development.
Incredible.
So you will find some rooms at night mode, and this is at day mode. As with the sunrise, the temperature rises, and at sunset, we drop the temperature. So we imitate everything happens in the nature. So here, the process of any seed to become a transplant takes them around 2 weeks, and then we take it from the PDU into a modular growing unit.
All right, you want to show me the next step?
Please.
Let's do it.
In this room here, we grow microgreens.
These are Chinese chives. I need to bring some of these back to Chef. Do you have a scissor or something so I can cut this?
We don't need to harvest these. These are ready. You can just take the punnet and it's ready to be consumed.
Oh, wow. I just bring this back.
Exactly.
That's incredible. This would make things go much faster on this show. I got Chinese chives for Chef. Let's move on to the next.
So let's see our next room here.
Edible flowers, baby. Well, let me go through here. I'm going to pick some colors. Here we go. This is so neat.
And one yellow maybe on your collection.
My edible bouquet. Oh, that's good.
So here we keep spinach, romaine lettuce, and kale.
I need that, and that.
Can we get the scissor, please?
So this one we're cutting?
Yes, we cut it and then it regrows again.
So you have 3 growing seasons?
Yes, minimum. And then after the 3 cycles, we take the stem, which is full of nutrients, and we press it into juices.
Wow. Let me get some of this to bring to Chef.
Take it as a punch and cut it at this height.
At that height, so it regrows.
You see how crunchy it is, and it's ready to eat.
This is ready to eat?
100%.
All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Oh my God. I feel like a rabbit. This is so wonderful. Will it make it back to Chef? We don't know. So tell me about water, because that's obviously the hardest thing that you would think about growing in a desert.
So here, because we're hydroponic, we use less water and less land to grow our products.
So how big would a farm need to be to do what you're doing?
In a conventional farming, you would require 470,000 square meters of land.
That's 40 times as large.
47 times, yes.
That's insane. So you're saving water, you're saving land.
Manpower, machinery as well, because we don't require the amount of manpower for us to harvest.
You just got ladders, that's all you need.
Yeah, exactly, because we grow vertically.
Wow. What you guys are doing here is transforming the planet, food production. It's heroic.
It is. It's the most sustainable project worldwide. The UAE has a strategy of 2051 towards sustainability because over 80% of the food is imported. We need to reduce the importation.
So you're not even competing with local farms.
We want to collaborate with the conventional farming in order for us to stand against the importation in the UAE.
For food security. Ferris, thank you very much for everything. I got to go bring that back to Chef. Keep up the amazing work.